there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sketching geometric forms in perspective. I'm your host, and in this video, we're going to learn about how to sketch a pyramid, cone, and cylinder in perspective. Here I started by drawing the front side of the forms. Let's start with the pyramid. Sketching a pyramid in perspective can be both challenging and rewarding. Here, we're going to start with first constructing the plane in perspective, and then we'll find the center point of the plane and extending line from the point to the desired height of the pyramid. Then we'll join the corners of the plane to the center line, and that will give us the pyramid. Here are some examples to understand its construction. Cones can appear quite tricky to draw, because here the most important thing to remember is to construct the ellipse perfectly. After constructing the ellipse, we will find its center point, and from there as well, we'll extend a center line that will define the height of the cone. Now we'll join the line from the ellipse to the center line. Now, let's tackle the cylinder. Cylinders might seem simple, but achieving the correct perspective is a bit difficult because in here, the most important thing is the ellipse. Now for that we can start by constructing the ellipse, and to draw the other ellipse, we can extend a center line that will help us define the height of the cylinder, and we'll construct the ellipse there. Now we'll just extend the line from the top ellipse to the bottom ellipse, and that will give you a cylinder. In the final segment, we'll wrap up by sharing some tips and tricks to refine your sketching skills. Remember, practice is essential, so grab your sketchbook and explore various compositions with different lighting and angles. That concludes our journey into sketching geometric forms in perspective. I hope this video has inspired you. Remember, mastering perspective takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged by initial challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more art-related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.